Going on, guys? Welcome back to another great day. Today we're going to be addressing the stock halogen bulbs on my 2018 Toyota Tundra. Now the stock bulbs on this truck are terrible and so bad that I went ahead and changed out the fog light bulbs to some LED ones, and it made quite a bit of a difference. So I'll show you guys a video here of me messing with the lights off and on going down the road. But I wanted to address the headlights next, but I wanted to fix the oxidation that the lenses had first before I did that. So I went ahead and got a kit here from Amazon. Made a video on it a couple weeks ago, and actually this thing turned out really great. This is a really easy kit. If you got some oxidation on your headlights or even on your emblem like these have, mine had some oxidation on the emblems, it took care of that as well and made them look basically brand new. So now that that's fixed, we're gonna go ahead and address the headlight bulbs. And I went with this kit from AUXITO. This is their X5 series. Apparently these are 800% brighter than the stock bulbs. So we'll see about that. We'll open these up, see what it comes with. Should have everything we need here. Oh yeah, these are some pretty nice bulbs here. These are some really heavy duty bulbs here. Look at these. Got some fans in the back so they don't heat up. I think on these trucks, it's easier to just take the headlamp out because the bulb's actually inside the fender liner, and it's kind of a pain to get to. So we're gonna have to take off the grill, take off that little plastic item here, and then unbolt the headlamp and pull it off. It's gonna be easier. I did watch a video online on how to do this. I watched, I think his name's Donnie, the late model tech. That was a pretty helpful video on how to take the headlights out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that process, get them out, and then we'll put the new bulbs in, and then yeah, we'll do a little before and after and see how much brighter these actually really are. Not sure if you guys noticed, but yeah, I got some A-pillar mod bulb, or I want to eventually do. That'll probably be in the next video, but these just came in as well. So I'm waiting for the mount so I can mount these somewhere on top here, and then yeah, see how that looks. But yeah, that'll be in a later video. Also got some headlights coming for this as well, because I want to compare the LED bulbs, these, compared to some actual headlamps, LED headlamps, and see how much of a difference that makes, and if it's even worth upgrading to LED headlights, or if you can just get some really nice quality bulbs and, you know, save you some money. All right, so we're gonna need to pop off these clips here, and then there's 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, and pull this clip off, and then we should grab the front of the grill and pull it forward. Also, before you pull the grill off, this little window here is for a reason. Pull this off, and that gives you access to undo the connector for the front sensor here. So it's basically pretty smart for Toyota to do that. It's there for a reason. It's four. Put this on the grass. All right, guys, with the grill out of the way, we just need to remove this clip here, and there's gonna be 10 millimeter here and 10 millimeter there. I'm gonna grab this panel here, grab from here, grab from the front. You just simply pop it off. Put that off to the side for now. 10 millimeter here from the side of the headlight, and then on top we have 1, 2, and then the whole headlight will come out. And we should be able to pry up on these tabs here, get it off the mounts, get it out of this little mount here, and slowly pry it forward. All right, first step is to remove our old bulb. We need to pull up on our connector here, pull it straight back. Then we'll have to take off our dust boot. We're gonna reuse that dust boot, so you just set that off to the side. Now we need to take our old bulb out, and then simply just press down on this tab here and out to unhook it. So this hook or latch latches underneath the headlamp right here, so you just have to unlatch it from there. That's what's holding the bulb in. So you unlatch it, swing it open, pull out our bulb, and go grab our new one. All right, so with our new bulb, you want to make sure you don't touch any of the headlamp bulb itself. So you want to kind of have some clean hands, or just be careful where you're holding it. Hold this, grab this fan, turn it counterclockwise. Once you hear it click, slide it back. You're basically releasing it from here. So now this needs to go in here, and this big tab faces up in the headlamp. So you slide that in there. The two small tabs are facing down on the headlamp, and then we're going to lock it in the same way we removed the old bulb with this lock ring here, and make sure it locks all the way in underneath. It's gonna be tight because this headlamp ring is a little bit thicker. Once you do that, grab our dust boot cover. We're gonna slide our dust boot cover back over that ring. All right, when you go to put the new bulb in, you want to be careful not to get any kind of grease or anything on the bulb. And the best way to do this is get our connector here, the wire, and face that towards the 3 o'clock area. Slide it in through the tabs, and then twist down so this is facing at the 6 o'clock position. That way the bulb is facing 6 and 12 so it's aligned right correctly. If not, that bulb will be facing the wrong way. Go ahead and get our connector here, make our connection, and we'll simply just, before we go ahead and zip tie and put everything back together, we're gonna just lay this down and place and just turn the lights on, make sure everything's working before we bolt it all back together. Oh yeah. All right, so now that we know that the lights come on, and let me tell you, those are bright. It's noon right now and it's super bright outside, and those lights are actually bright. All right, now in the kit, it also comes with 4 zip ties, so you're gonna use 2 on each side. We basically secure our light here to the stock harness so we don't have this bouncing around everywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and just zip tie this together. Cut off our tabs. Now we have this secure. Now we can go ahead and put this back together. All right, let's go see how bright it is. All right, guys, so as you can tell, LED bulbs make a big time difference. I truly believe that these are probably 800% brighter than the halogen bulbs. But now the true test is, these just came in, the LED headlights. So is it worth upgrading to some LED headlights? Or can you get by just installing some really nice quality LED headlight bulbs? Well, we'll have to wait and see. In the next video, I will be comparing it to these from LED Factory and see how well they stack up to the LED headlight bulbs. But yeah, and then also stay tuned. I just got the brackets in for the pillar mounts, so we'll be installing these as well. But yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, if you got any questions, put in the comments down below. I'll put a link down below for the LED headlight bulbs that you saw in today's video. If you got any questions about anything else in the build, I'll put it down in the comments, and I'll try to get to you as soon as I can. Please like, subscribe. See you guys on the next one.